Want to know how to check your awards or achievements in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So you should be on the main menu. So once you're on the main menu, make sure you hit towards profile. So it should be on the left side below activities, or it should be on the bottom right side. That should be your avatar icon. So you can just simply select any one of these two and your profile should be viewed just like this right here. Now by default you should be under accessories, where your accessories should be shown just like this. Now in order to switch or see rewards or awards, just simply select player right here. So once you have selected player, here you should be seeing this awards icon. Just simply select it, and now you can see all of the awards that you can see or you can claim right here. So you can just simply complete missions and do missions in order to get them. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.